Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have the manifestation box for July by Gogh Jewelry. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So July's manifestation box just arrived. They do send me this for review, so thank you so much for sending me your box to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. So if you guys know, I am absolutely loving this Gogh Jewelry. I am loving every single bracelet that I have received from here. I love to wear them. Whatever color I'm wearing, I'm grabbing either the wrap or the bracelet to wear with my outfit, and I absolutely love that. I have so many different colors. They're absolutely gorgeous. They're just breathtakingly beautiful, and I absolutely love them. I did tell you guys a few times there was one that I had my eye on that I wanted to get, and I actually did grab it. I have it here, is my order, so I will show you that once I'm done with this. So if you want to see one that I purchased from the shop that I'm so excited about, then stay tuned to after I'm done with this and I will show you what I ordered. All right, so let's go ahead and dive into this one. I do have my own code, SheCrafty, which will get you 20% off if you are interested. They have the manifestation box, and then they have the Mother Earth Wrap Club as well. So there's two different ones, or you can shop their shop and get anything that they have in their shop without going to a subscription. So let's go ahead and dive in. I'm so excited, ready to manifest your dreams. I am. So when you open it up, there is their sticker manifestation box right on top, holding the tissue paper closed. When you open that up, ooh, oh, there's something big in there. I'm like, ooh, the box doesn't close all the way. There's something big in there. That is what it looks like when you first open the box. Okay, so let's go with that since I'm intrigued. Like, it's so big in there that it won't even close. Oh, let me get the cards out. I'm so excited. I'm skipping ahead here. All right, so here's like a summer card. SheCrafty. In July, let's embrace our wanderlust and ignite that spark inside of us to live free spirited. I love the owner. How cool is that? In this one, you always get two different meditation cards. One of them is for you to keep, and one of them is for you to gift if you would like. And this month, this is what it looks like. Wild women are an unexplainable spark of life. They ooze freedom and seek awareness. They belong to nobody but themselves, yet give a piece of who they are to everyone they meet. By Nikki Rowe. That is so true. That is so true. So again, you have the two cards. Then you do get your normal, like the monthly page here. So free spirit, embrace your wanderlust. So you can go through and you can read this. Goes into a little bit more information of like why that theme was chose, that kind of thing. And then with this one, you always get your astrology. So you tell them which sign you are. This one is July for Scorpio because I am a Scorpio. I love going through and reading these because then it gives me a little bit of insight for that month, and I just love knowing more about my sign, me as a Scorpio. So I absolutely love that they do put these in. It's customized directly for you only by your sign and your size wrist, which I absolutely love. So let's go ahead and dive in and let's see what is. I absolutely love when I receive a geode, especially when it's a really nice piece and you can kind of like see in. That is so pretty. So this is geode. The word geode comes from the Greek term geodes, which means earth-like. Quartz geodes are used to raise the energy levels of the space, promote the flow of positive energy, radiation of calming energy, rid energy channels of blockages, and for their energy clearing and cleansing properties. And I do love that you always get a card like this. and it goes over all information. It's very, very easy to read and to understand. And I love that they are small, but they're nice, thick cardstock. They are colored, and you can always keep these to go back to reference, like which one that is. And I really, really love their cards. I've gotten a lot of different cards throughout my times of getting different crystal subscription boxes or just crystals in general. And I've never had one that I love until now. So I just love that. So you do have that matches. So you have the geode, and I'm loving that. You always get a monthly crystal, but normally it's just like a smaller, like rounded, all just one crystal, not an actual geode. So I'm super excited. So then down in here will be the necklace then and the bracelet. You always get both a necklace and bracelet in this one. So let's see what, ooh, so pretty. Look at all of those different colors. Okay, so, we're back a little bit bigger. Last month was this one, I believe, and it's like perfect. And then this one, I'm back, I think, one extra ball, which is fine. I like having both because sometimes they're a little bit bigger, sometimes they're a little bit smaller, but this one I can just flop right in the front, and there we go. But I love all the different colors that are in them. Look at how pretty. So we have this. Let me find the card so we can see what we are working with here. And let me get the necklace out. Oh, and all the cards. Okay. All three of those other ones go to the necklace. So this would be the one for the bracelet, and it is a bloodstone. So pretty. I love that there's different color variations. It's like gray. One of them almost is like all clear. Some of them have like a little bit of like a brownish, reddish kind of color in it. Super, super pretty. Bloodstone is a stone of courage and wisdom, noble sacrifice, and altruistic character. Bloodstone represents a courageous spirit. It was considered a mystical stone that warriors and soldiers held during battles. Bloodstone boosts the innate healing power inside you by quieting a preoccupied mind and refocusing your energy on repair and renewal. Again, that is bloodstone for this bracelet. Maybe I'll put on this one. There we go. So then, I just love these bracelets. I love you can stack them. You can wear multiple ones, just one, whatever tickles your fancy that morning or that day when you want to put it on. So I absolutely love that. And they are very, very durable. She said you can yoga with them, shower with them, wash your hands, do anything and everything with the bracelet or the wrap. At first I was like afraid and always taking it off. Nope. Just leave them on. Everything will be perfectly fine. Okay, so now for the necklace, and here it is. So you have like this clear crystal here, which says crystal healing. While you are wearing your crystals as jewelry, the crystal vibrations work continuously on your imbalances. Clear quartz is a traditional healing crystal that is believed to be capable of drawing out pain while amplifying energy for healing. It is also called to be the master healer. So that would be for this one right here. Then in the middle, you have the sand dollar. So you have the sand dollar. Sand dollars can make their own preferred and secured living place. These characteristics symbolize their inspiration to live and also their self-defensive mentality. It can encourage one to choose their own path and also the need to teach one on how to protect themselves. Sand dollars symbolize strength, flexibility, freedom, choosing your own path. Then you have the last one right there, which is the lava stone. Lava stone is excellent for calming emotions thanks to its grounding qualities. Formed from cooling magma, lava is thought to symbolize rebirth and aid in realizing emotional baggage. These stones are great accessories for aromatherapy since they hold essential oils for up to 8 hours. I really, really like this one. So there's 3 different things going on. And again, you get to choose your necklace length. So there's all 3 of them together. Let's get this on. I like this like dark, it's not like a silver, it's more of like a gunmetal. I really like this color necklace, like the chain. Oh, let me move. Let me move that one out of the way. So pretty. So pretty. I love that. And again, you have the 3 different cards that go over everything that you can keep, reference, and all of that. So that is awesome. So that is the bracelet, the necklace. You have the monthly crystal and the astrology. So that is everything for this month's manifestation box. Now I'm going to get in and show you my order. I'm so excited for this because I opened it up and I see that she put some stuff in here and I'm like, okay, I know there's things in here that I did not order. So I definitely wanted to show you guys, and I'm so excited because I really want to wear what I purchased. What I purchased I can wear any day because it goes with anything. So let's just go ahead and get in. Let's see what's all in here. Like I said, I started to see some things and I'm like, okay, pump my brakes, put it back, and I waited until now. So I did get a card and she wrote, Tracy, I know you said don't cut it shorter, but I just had to. I want it to fit you perfect and wear it a lot. Plus, I know you are into the moon, so enjoy these extras. The moon. Thank you for all that you do to help me and my brand. I love what she is doing. And these crystals, like nothing can beat them. They're all handmade. She puts so much time and effort into them, and it definitely shows. So down in here, one of these is the one that I purchased, and one of these she threw in as a gift. And I think, yes, okay, let me show you what I purchased. So I got a wrap bracelet, but it has this moon on it. So these are like the moonstone, and I believe that is, yes, this is the moonstone. Moonstone is a stone for new beginnings. Moonstone is a stone of inner growth and strength. Moonstone has been a connection to the magic of the moon and lunar energy. So I just think that is so cool. And it's like a white, and it has like a little bit of little specks of like a grayish black color kind of in there in the moonstone. It's just super pretty. So now when I was messaging her back and forth, I was trying to get this to, I was trying to figure out the sizing. But for the sizing, they put the extenders, and I just really didn't want the extender. So I had asked if it was possible just to cut it down a little bit so I can wrap it around 3 times instead of 4 times so I don't have to use the extender. That's not something that is normally done. So then when I found out, I was like, okay, don't just customize this for me. I don't want, you to have to do that. So that's why I told her don't cut it down, because I didn't want like all these custom orders coming in, So she ended up cutting it down for me, and I think it's going to now fit me for the 3 wraparounds. And if that's the case, I'm so excited. So let's start off by first, let me remove this one, even though it's super pretty. We're about this one now. 1, 2, and okay, so I cannot get it all the way through. I think it's going to fit me perfectly. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Again, I know I told her don't do it because I'm not trying to just be like something special just for myself, but I'm actually super glad that she did, and I'm so excited. Okay, so it fits me perfect with the 3 wraparound, and then I have the moon that hangs. That is just gorgeous. Okay, so this is the one that I purchased. I'm absolutely loving it. And again, this I can wear with anything because it's basically white, and I'm so excited. So on the site, another thing that I've been eyeing, because I was torn if I wanted to get the wrap or if I wanted to get the necklace. And when I again was writing her, and I'm like, well, what's the size of this? Can I use that and just wrap that around 4 times? 1, 2, 3. No, it wouldn't have been. So I was trying to figure things out, like which way I can basically get this. So I noticed you can purchase this necklace by itself, or you can purchase it with an affirmation book. And this is what she had sent to me. So if you do want to purchase just this necklace or this set to save money, both of these and this are available, plus so many others on the shop. Like, you don't need to have a subscription for that. So here is the necklace. If you can tell, the beads are bigger. So they're bigger beads on the necklace. This feels a lot heavier as well. And then you have this really nice actual like crystal moon shape down here. I'm so excited. I am so excited. Oh, and that's the perfect length for me too. Oh my gosh, I am so excited. Now, there was another thing that said, oh yes, it says the moon. Using the lunar energy of the moon can yield incredibly healing results, both physical and mentally. Moonlight has holistic healing properties and is able to cleanse your mind, body, and spirit. Harness the positive energy of the moon by envisioning your goals and dreams. So again, there's the necklace. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. And then there's this whole book of affirmations. You can purchase just the book if you want just the book, but it's a whole book of all of these different affirmations. I choose to forgive myself no matter what has happened in the past. I am worthy of love and compassion. I take time to relax and do things that comfort me. I need to do that one. I choose to forgive everyone in my past and set them free. I let go of all negative memories. Instead of living in the past, I choose to live in the present moment. I welcome the unknown into my life. And so many more. There's 100. There's 100 of them in here. And that is really, really neat. And I'm actually super glad that she did send this. I can show you the book and the necklace, and then I can show you a wrap that I purchased as well. Oh my gosh, this is amazing. Thank you so much for adding these to my order. You did not need to do that. I did not need anything in addition. I greatly do appreciate it though. You guys know how much I love the moon. I love my crystals. So this is just, now I have both. Oh my gosh, thank you so much. So you guys, if you want to check out the manifestation box, if you want to check out the Mother Earth Wrap Club or any of the stuff on their site, definitely go check it out. And SheCrafty will get you 20% off on all products and subscription. So either subscription or all of the products on their online shop, SheCrafty will get you 20% off. Oh my gosh, I'm loving this. So that is everything that I have to show for this month's manifestation box and my order and the things that she had sent me in addition. I love it. I love it all. I just love this company so much. You guys go ahead and comment down below. Let me know, what did you think of this month? What do you think of the bracelet and the necklace for this month? It's so summery too with the sand dollar in it. That is really neat. So comment down below. Your positive interaction means the world. I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.